Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn ABCD. Pink color, purple color, neon color, black color, light green color, orange color, grey color, dark green color. Let's start. Yellow color, A for aeroplane, A for avocado, B for butterfly, B for boy, C for carrot, C for candy, D for donut, D for dog, E for egg, E for eggplant, F for frog, F for fish, G for goat, G for girl. Orange color, H for house, H for hen, I for eyes, I for ice cream, J for jug, J for joker, K for kite, K for king, L for lime, L for lemon, M for mango, M for mosquito, N for nose, N for nest. O for orange, O for owl, P for papaya, P for piano, Q for queen, Q for quiz, R for ring, R for red, S for sister, S for star, T for tomato, T for toast, U for umbrella, U for unicorn. V for village, V for vegetable, W for water, W for watermelon, X for xylophone, X for Christmas tree, Y for yellow color, Z for zebra, Z for zoo. So kids, what we learned today? Yellow color, orange color, red color and light green color. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Now I know my ABC. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share, subscribe my channel. We will see you next video with new topic. Till then, bye.